What if I tell you most billionaires in Nigerians' first home isn't their dream home? Buying a home you can afford right now is very important. It saves you from paying for hotels or renting a house. Especially for Nigerians in the diaspora who visit Lagos and Nigerians who stay in Lagos and paying rent or getting a hotel. Buying a home helps you save money towards your dream home. So why don't you start with Civic Residence, our luxury smart bungalow in Ajah before Lagos Business School. We have 2-bedroom fully detached bungalow with BQ for 50 million naira. We also have 3-bedroom detached bungalow with BQ for 62 million naira. And we also have 4-bedroom detached bungalow with penthouse plus BQ for 80 million naira. You can make a down payment of 10 million naira and you can spread the balance within 12 months. Giddy Real Estate Investments own this project and they have consistently delivered several houses to clients over the years. So be rest assured that your investment is safe. Now is your chance to buy Civic Residence at this unbeatable price at such locations before it gets sold out. Give us a call today.